Hello friends, welcome to Ideas and You. Today we will learn how to fetch data from a website directly in the Excel through a web query. So we are on bscindia.com. We'll scroll down. We need the index values on a regular basis. So instead of going to a website, we'll populate that directly in our Excel file. Okay. We'll copy the URL. We'll go to Excel. We'll click on data from web. We paste the URL and click on OK. We'll wait for the further dialog box to select the data. So we have got the table. For example, we are selecting table 4. We'll single click on table 4. We can also select multiple tables by clicking here. So after clicking on table 4, we'll click on load to. So it is asking where we want to paste. We will select existing worksheet and give cell reference as A1. Okay. And click on OK. So our data has loaded. So it would replicate the data from the bscindia.com. Say 85524.84. 85524.84. So whenever we want to refresh this data, we'll just right click within the table and click on refresh. Our data would get refreshed. Also, when we click on table, external data properties and click on query properties, we get here option which says refresh every minutes. We can specify the minutes. Say for example, we are writing in 10 minutes our data should get refreshed automatically. Okay. And also refresh data when opening the file. If we tick this, whenever we open the file, our data would get synced with the bscindia.com. Okay. Click on OK. Okay. Done. Our data is populated. Thank you. Follow for such more content. Thank you.